Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you search for genetic material. What is the genetic material which carry the information from one generation to another generation? Children, you know Gregor John Mendel proposed the principle of inheritance in 1865, and according to his law of inheritance, the character transfer from one generation to another generation, from parents to the offsprings, and character is controlled by the factor. Later on, that factor was called genes. And in the same year, when Gregor John Mendel proposed the law of inheritance, then Mescher discovered nuclein, and it was also known for a long time that chromosomes carry genetic information from parents to offsprings. Chromosomes is made of DNA and protein. So it was not clear whether DNA or protein of the chromosomes were the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material because gene control the character, and gene was the new name for the Mendelian factor. A gene is the functional segment of DNA which controls the synthesis of functional enzymes. The enzymes are associated with some characters. In virus and bacteria, naked DNA form viral chromosomes and bacterial chromosomes. But when we are studying in the eukaryotes, in eukaryotes, DNA along with basic protein form the nucleoprotein fibers. It means nucleoprotein fibers is made up of DNA and basic protein histones, and these nucleoprotein fibers condense and get coiled, and it will form chromosomes during the cell division, because you know chromosome is the structure which appear only at the time of cell division. Before that, chromosomes is present in the form of fibers, that is chromatin fibers or nucleoprotein fibers. These nucleoprotein or chromatin fibers condense, get tightly coiled and form chromosomes during cell division. Chromosomes are described as hereditary vehicles because they store hereditary information, and these information transfer from parents to the offsprings. So chromosomes are hereditary material, but in the chromosomes nucleic acid and DNA and histone proteins are present. Chromosomes are responsible for controlling various morphological, physiological and development process. The information for all these activities is encoded. Then now question is, what is the hereditary material? Either nucleic acid DNA or histone proteins. For a long time it was considered protein is the hereditary material, because proteins was considered as hereditary material. There was some reason behind it. Now question is, which material must be considered as genetic materials or hereditary material that have some criteria? Because genetic material is the substance that store information about structure, function and development of the organisms. It should be present in all the cells, and that material must be able to replicate accurately, and it can transfer in the daughter cells from one generation to another generation. Genetic material should able to express itself through the formation of specific biological molecules. Genetic material must be stable physically and chemically. If it is not stable on storing, its stability is lost, then what information has stored in that is also lost. Therefore genetic material must be stable. Genetic material undergo gradual modification by mutation and recombination so that new characters appear in the organisms, and it will bring variations, diversity. So these are the criteria for the genetic materials. So when we are taking all these criteria, then we reach on the conclusion that DNA is the genetic material, because DNA is replicated. There is the replication of the DNA, and DNA is made up of nucleotides. Gene is the functional segment of DNA, but DNA is the genetic material. It came from transformation of bacteria and modification of bacteriophages. DNA is the genetic materials. It came from transformation of bacteria and mode of infection of bacteriophage. The concept of being the genetic material is DNA, not protein. It was confirmed by two experiments. First experiment is Griffith's experiment on the Griffith's experiment on bacterial transformation, and second experiment is Hershey and Chase experiment. This Hershey and Chase experiment is on bacteriophages. So from these two experiments, Griffith's experiment and Hershey-Chase experiment, it was confirmed that DNA is the genetic material, not protein.